For some, the kitchen is the heart of their home. Whether preparing family dinner or grabbing a snack on the go, kitchens are an undeniably essential part of the home. For many homeowners, it's also where they want to focus their renovation efforts. If you're doing a minor upgrade, or you're interested in a complete kitchen remodel, here are 3 renovation ideas to think about. First, let's talk about making use of an empty corner and creating a nook. Installing a kitchen nook can be a simple DIY project, or a job for a trusted contractor. The benefits of a completed nook include additional storage space for kitchen or other household items. You can also use it as casual seating when you want to snack on something or just relax in your kitchen. Another change to consider is floor replacement. Because they cover the entire room and change the quality of light and general look in your kitchen, this is a project you want to do right. It may require you to get help from a flooring professional. When discussing the process, you have a long list of options to ensure the floor provides the look you want. You can choose between options such as hardwood, glazed ceramic tile, or vinyl planks, which provide affordable durability along with looks that mimic more expensive materials. Another idea might be to create an appliance garage. Keep the kitchen clutter to a minimum by constructing these out-of-the-way storage spaces. With an FHA 203K loan from Homebridge, you have an affordable way to make these changes and more. FHA 203K is a versatile loan program that offers funding for major and minor home repairs or renovations. It offers flexible credit and debt-to-income ratio requirements, along with a high funding maximum. An FHA 203K makes it easy for anyone to get the funding they need to create the kitchen they want. To learn more about FHA 203K loans, contact Lisa Sandoval at Homebridge Financial. Call Lisa today to talk about building your dream kitchen.